Greetings, everyone. I'd like to walk you through what it is to build an enterprise mobile app. My name is Tihomir Mateev, and I'm part of the vSphere user interfaces team. For the past year and a half, our team has been developing a mobile application to access virtualized workloads. Let's first take a step back and consider JSON. JSON has been using our products for many years now on a personal computer. But what if he needs to walk the dog, grab some groceries, cook a quick lunch? A mobile device could be a good solution to the problem of him not being around. When we started developing the app, we first spent some time thinking of what the constraints are. We wanted a good platform and a device penetration covering not only the two major mobile application platforms, but also most of their recent versions. We also wanted to make sure we abide by the UX standards of VMware to make sure our customers would quickly start using the new app. We also wanted to have the native feel of a mobile app. We wanted to have the swipes and gestures, the biometrics, the notifications, and device storage. Another thing we wanted to consider was maintenance, as it has historically been a huge problem. Error reporting and feedback needed to quickly be gathered and steps be taken to address them. We also wanted to make sure we can test the application easily so we can have a good and solid quality. And last but not least, we wanted to consider all the prior work, existing and obsolete products that our clients have already used. And speaking about prior work, this is where we got most of our ideas from. The previous attempts at a mobile application were very popular and successful until maintenance costs due to low code reusability and platform support made them obsolete. And what they lacked most was UX consistency with the main vSphere suite. So this is why we chose to go with a combination of two familiar technologies, Angular and Clarity, wrapped in an Apache Cordova framework. This resulted in a hybrid app, a web engine that visualizes the application in a way that a native app would look like. It allows us to share the code between different platforms, whilst keeping the UX consistency and having the native functionality, such as swipes, biometrics, etc. And this is how similar the applications look today. On the right, you can see the vSphere desktop app that we've been shipping for several years now. On the left, there are two versions, a phone and a tablet one, of the home screen of the mobile app. We use an additional appliance that handles notifications. When the user is interested in monitoring the state of a task, they click on a button in the app. The mobile app then registers to the appliance and it starts monitoring for the task state on the server. It also provides a unique device ID to the server, so it knows how to send the notification back specifically to this device. When the appliance sees that the task has changed its state, it sends the notification to the cloud alongside with the ID of the device. On the side of the device, the mobile phone, for instance, the user receives the notification and is now aware that the task has changed its state. The team spent a lot of time to gather feedback and telemetry to improve the application. We record the time a user spends on a screen and the times they visit these screens and send them back as telemetry results. Based on that information, we make decisions about which features to improve and which ones to prioritize. We also collect any error states and crashes so that we can easily and quickly address common bugs. And this telemetry that we gather shows that for the past month, we had 18,000 unique users, and they usually average at 1,500 a day, which we consider is a marker that we did a fairly good job. We also have an ample praise from our users, getting a satisfaction score of 75%. Well, we reached the end of this presentation. I'd like to thank you all for your time.